What are concentration cells? In some galvanic cells, the EMF arises due to transfer of matter from one half cell to the other, and this is due to the difference in concentration of the difference in the concentration of the electrolyte. Such cells are called concentration cells. For example, if both the half cells are made up of hydrogen, so both the half cells are made up of hydrogen and the electrolyte solution contains H plus ions. So in case of concentration cells, what happens? The electrode is also same, electrolyte solution is also same. Therefore, standard electrode potential of the cell becomes 0. E naught cell is 0. Now, if you consider two half cells, in one of the half cells, H plus ion concentration, let it be C1 and it is equal to 0.01 moles per liter. And in another half cell, the concentration of H plus ions is C2, let it be 0.02 moles per liter. Both the half cells have hydrogen electrode. The electrolyte contains H plus ions. The electrolyte consists of H plus ions. In one of the half cells, concentration of H plus ions is 0.01 moles per liter. In another one is 0.02 moles per liter. As can be seen, C2 is greater than C1. So there is difference in the concentration of the electrolyte. In such cells, the current is generated because of the difference in the concentration of electrolyte in both the half cells. Now, since C2 is greater than C1, now as C2 is greater than C1, current will flow as long as the concentration is different. The moment the concentration of electrolyte becomes the same in both the half cells, the current stops. So, as can be seen, C1 is 0.01 and C2 is 0.02. So, C2 is greater than C1. So, the concentration of electrolyte in the second cell, the one having concentration of electrolyte as 0.02 moles per liter, in this half cell, the concentration of H plus ion has to decrease. So, how will the concentration of H plus ion decrease? If H plus ion combines with electron and it forms hydrogen, then concentration of H plus ion decreases. It means the half cell having higher concentration of H plus ion will act as cathode because reduction will take place in that cell. The cell having lower concentration of H plus ion, in this the concentration of H plus ion is low. So here the concentration of H plus ion has to increase. How will it increase? Hydrogen will get oxidized to H plus ion, losing one electron. So oxidation will take place in the half cell having lower concentration of the electrolyte. So this will act as the anode. So it can be seen that the one having higher concentration of H plus ion acts as cathode. The half cell having lower concentration of H plus ion, it acts as anode. Oxidation takes place and the concentration of H plus ion increases. And this results in the flow of current in the external circuit, and the current will flow as long as the concentration does not become equal. So here this is the cathode and this is the anode. Now what will be the EMF of this cell? EMF of this cell can be obtained from the formula EMF is equal to minus 0.0591 by N. N is the number of electrons involved in the redox reaction, log concentration of H plus ion at the anode divided by concentration of H plus ion at the cathode. Since the E naught of the two half cells is same, it gets cancelled. Both the half cells consist of the same electrode, same electrolyte solution. So E naught cell standard reduction potential of both the half cells is same and therefore E naught cell becomes 0. That is E naught cathode minus E naught anode is equal to 0. because both the cathode and anode are made up of the same material and the same electrolyte solution. And when the concentration in both the half cells becomes the same, the flow of current stops.